Okay, you guys, we are in DD's, and my daughter is looking for like a camouflage outfit to wear at for Halloween. So we're thinking she should probably get this and cut it up. So she has a lot of green things in there.
Okay, the vest too.
Yeah, that would be cute with the green. Or maybe like get a cream colored like a pullover sweatshirt and jibber it up. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. But y'all, I found this, which is almost like a blouse that I got already, but this one is short sleeve and it has like lovely shoes, have words on it. The other one didn't. So this prevents me from doing a haul video because y'all seeing what I'm buying. And then I like this belt also.
Can I get these pants?
For the soldier? 14? I don't think they're worth it to be, unless you're gonna wear it after that too.
Yeah, I would, but I'm just saying, I don't know.
Yeah, I like this feathered belt. And then this jacket with the V at the bottom. I'll show you guys different. And this blouse is only $5.99 and that jacket is $5.99. You sure they didn't have none in the men's section? Oh. What's that? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Velour sweatsuits to me is just played out.
They solid as a rock up in here, y'all.
We're going to look in the men's section, but I just want to show you guys the jeans in here. Oh, here we go, Les. 16. She been looking for red jeans. You see you must see camouflage. I see you running. That's cute. How much? How much? It should have been a little cheaper, but because that would have you could have just
put on some jeans and some type of little thing underneath.
Right.
And zip it.
Well, maybe you can put something back.
All of that can put back, but it's good.
All of what? Not my stuff. My birthday present, huh?
Y'all see her?
Shit. She told me to get something, and I was telling her. They even sell toys in here. Here, you holding the basket, don't let nobody swipe it. Huh?
I'm trying to see if they got
What? Huh? A 1X in that? I don't know if a men's size be in 1X. What size is that? Oh, I guess so. Show you what I know about men. No, what I was saying was if you...
I know. Go ahead.
Like I think I got one at home that you can use. Think I see a hat? Yeah, a cap. This is cute camouflage hat. $4.99. I think it look cute if you do the bumper jacket with some tights and this on. Better than them pants. You still can look, you know, girlish. Mm-hmm. All right, you guys, let me turn this off. We're in the men's section. So I think she got her little outfit.